Welcome to my honest review of iLovePDF, a popular online tool designed for all things PDF related. If you've ever struggled with editing, converting, or merging PDF files, you've probably come across iLovePDF. It's known for providing a straightforward and free solution to manage PDF documents. But how well does it really work? Let's dive in. When you first visit the iLovePDF website, you're greeted with a clean and simple interface. It has various options like Merge PDF, Split PDF, Compress PDF, Convert to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even a PDF repair feature. Everything is neatly categorized, making navigation extremely easy even for beginners. One of the most useful features of iLovePDF is its ability to convert PDFs to different formats and vice versa. The conversions are usually quick, but the quality of the output can sometimes be inconsistent, especially with complex formatting in documents. For basic text and image-based PDFs, it works exceptionally well. Editing PDFs is another key feature. While it offers basic annotation tools, it doesn't provide a full editing suite like some premium software does. You can add text, shapes, and even draw on the document, but if you're looking to completely modify a PDF, this might not be the ideal tool. The compression tool is also worth mentioning. It does a decent job of reducing file size without sacrificing too much quality. This is particularly useful when you need to upload files to websites with size restrictions. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Where iLovePDF truly shines is its ability to merge multiple PDFs into one seamless file. The process is simple and efficient. Splitting files is just as easy and allows for precise control over what pages you want to extract. However, some of the more advanced features require a premium subscription, which may be a turnoff for casual users who only need occasional use. Another downside is the occasional advertising pop-ups and the requirement to sign up to access higher quality features. This isn't too surprising for a free tool, but it's worth noting if you prefer an uninterrupted experience. Overall, iLovePDF is a solid choice if you need quick and simple PDF management. For basic tasks like merging, compressing, and converting PDFs, it performs very well. However, for advanced editing or complex document conversions, you may want to consider other tools. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.